fret with Dulcimer with Gillian. So today we're going to do a song that's amazing for beginners if you've just started out playing the Dulcimer. It's called Horse with No Name and it's got just 2 chords and it's really easy. So let's get started. The first chord is called E minor, so put your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the bass string. Put your middle finger on the 1st fret of the middle string and put the side of your thumb on the 3rd fret of the treble string. It will sound like this. And the next chord is called D. You can just go ahead and slide your thumb to the 2nd fret of the treble string and no other fingers on frets. Like that. If your thumb isn't so great, what you can do instead is you can go fret 1 for your E minor, leave the D string open, and you can move your pointer finger to the 2nd fret for the D string. So I'll leave it up to you. So the first thing that we want to do is to change chords. So we're going to do just 1 chord per bar, and it's going to go between E minor and D. Oh, by the way, we're in D-A-D tuning. E minor and D. So let's sing. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There was sand and hills and rocks and things. Do-do-do, I can't remember the words. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and a sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. Okay, so that's our first step, just to do 1 strum per bar. Now we're going to strum on the beat. We're going to do 4 strums per bar. So that's 4 strums of E minor and 4 strums of D. Okay, let's go. E minor, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There was sand and hills and rocks and things. The E minor and D. Okay, so when you've got that, what you want to do now is we're going to learn the strumming pattern. I've simplified it a little bit because on the real one, the strumming pattern for E minor is different than the strumming pattern for D. So to learn this, I want you to mute the strings. So go ahead and put your hand on the strings so it doesn't sound like anything. And the reason why we're doing this is so that we can focus on the strumming and not worry about the chords. Okay, so here it goes. So we go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's do it again. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Or another way to look at it is say fly and spider. Fly is just down, spider is down, up. Fly, spider, 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 fly, spider, spider, spider. Alright, let's try it with the chords. So E minor. Fly, spider, spider, spider. With D. Fly, spider, spider, spider. Fly, spider, spider, spider. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so practice that quite a bit. What you need to do is to practice it with the original track. We can't play it on here because of copyright, but strum along to the track and then you'll get an idea and it takes the stress away because you're just focusing on the rhythm. So when you've done that, let's go ahead and sing it together now. E minor, D. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. La la, E minor and D, and E minor and D. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert some tips about strumming and singing. Sometimes people get discouraged. They're like, why can't I do it? But just go through the steps. Do it one per bar, then on the beat, and then strum with the muted strings along with the track. And just be kind to yourself, because it's not easy. It takes time. So if you like it, please give me a subscribe. Write something in the comments about what you thought. And suggestions for songs. I love those. Alright. Happy playing. See you soon.